I am going to figure out why my PC stays on even when I turn it off. Ever feel like your computer just won't quit? You shut it down, but somehow it's still consuming power. This isn't just a minor annoyance. It can actually increase your electricity bill and shorten the lifespan of your components. You see, when your PC is turned off but still plugged in, it can still draw a small amount of power known as phantom power or standby power. This power consumption happens even when your device appears to be off, and it's used to keep certain components like the motherboard, fans, or USB ports active. It's like your computer is on standby mode, ready to spring back to life at a moment's notice. But what you might not realize is that this standby power can add up over time, affecting your electricity bill and the environment. The concept of phantom power isn't new, but it's become increasingly relevant as our homes fill with more and more devices that are always connected. Your computer isn't the only device that can suffer from this. Think about all the other gadgets you have at home, like your TV, router, and even your phone charger. They all contribute to what's known as vampire power or standby power loss. This power drain not only affects your wallet, but also impacts the lifespan of your components. When your PC is constantly drawing power, even when turned off, it can lead to wear and tear on the hardware.
So, what causes your PC to still be on even when you shut it down? There are several reasons. One common culprit is the USB ports. Some USB ports remain powered even when your computer is turned off, which can be convenient for charging devices, but also leads to unnecessary power consumption. Then there's Wake on LAN, a feature that allows your computer to be turned on remotely. This can be useful for IT departments or for remotely accessing your computer, but it's another pathway for power to be drawn when you think your computer is off. Fast startup is another feature that might be keeping your PC partially on. When you choose to shut down your computer, it doesn't fully power down. Instead, it enters a state of hibernation to speed up boot times. Your BIOS settings can also play a role. Some settings might be configured to keep your computer in a low power state even when it's turned off.
To truly power down your PC and prevent phantom consumption, you need to dig into your settings. First, check your power settings and disable fast startup if you don't need it. You can do this by going to your control panel, selecting power options, and then choosing what the power buttons do. From there, you can uncheck the box for fast startup. Next, look into your BIOS settings. You'll need to restart your computer and enter the BIOS menu, usually by pressing F2, F12, or DEL. Once in the BIOS, look for settings related to power management or Wake on LAN and disable them if you don't use these features. Also, consider unplugging your PC or using a smart plug that can cut power completely. In terms of concrete solutions, making sure your computer fully shuts down can save you money and extend the life of your hardware. When you shut down your computer properly, you're not only cutting off power consumption, but also helping to ensure that your components last longer. The benefits are twofold. You save on your electricity bill and reduce electronic waste. To recap, phantom power consumption is a real issue that can affect your PC's performance and your electricity bill. By understanding what causes it and taking steps to prevent it, you can make a positive impact on both your wallet and the environment. So I encourage you to check your PC settings and see if you've got any phantom power lurking around. Share your experiences in the comments below. Have you noticed a difference in your energy bill after adjusting these settings? Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your devices.